Hi, my name is Justina Marino, and this is Screencast for EDC250. So let's begin. For this first part, we'll be talking about child find in the SST. So now we're going to talk about strategies for communicating with parents. It is important to be factual and to be honest. Another important thing is they suggest to read to your child every 10 minutes of the day, so that's something that you can give to your parents. So giving them different tips will help them trust you. You need to ask about expectations that they have on the child, such as homework, when does it get done, where does it get done, is it focused, and ask them to be involved in this IEP process as much as they can. So in this meeting, they will be given a parent preparation sheet, and this is what it looks like. The purpose of it is just to get more information on the child to make a clear assessment for them. So you'll get different reactions and feelings from the parents. Here are some of the most typical. There's shock, denial, anger, guilt, depression, acceptance. It's most important that you realize that these feelings vary and may or may not be voiced, but hopefully eventually that they will will achieve acceptance and will be helpful in the process. So the SST process, it starts with gathering student information and then plan strategies to assist the student within the resources of the general educational programs, and then monitor student progress. Fourth, builds trust between the parents and the school. Fifth, makes referrals for formal evaluations when needed. And that's it. And then we move on to the summary sheet. Here's what it looks like. We see typical information on there. For this student, it was second grade, and it was submitted when the classroom teacher wanted a meeting with the student study team. If we look, we can see the reason for referral, the data and data regarding academic functioning, relevant personal information that is important for the evaluation. So the role of accommodations for this child within the process of the SST is to give the students every opportunity and chance to learn with what they need, to give students equal opportunity to learn, and to minimize the impact of students' disabilities on their performance academically. Some digital accommodations are computer games, computer-based instructions, using a laptop for taking notes, recording lectures, or to do assignments, digital text readers, voice recognition software to take notes or write papers. Some sensory accommodations are there's different seating. So as we can see, this classroom has many different options for seating. There's benches, there's balls, there's fluffy chairs. They can sit at the carpet. There's rocking chairs. This is very helpful for these students. There's sensory feedback mats, manipulatives, headphones, fitted vests, that sort of thing. And then we move on to learning disabilities, and that will be in part 2 of this video. Thank you.